welcome back to Miss Diaz at the channel with me, Miss Diaz. In this video, we will talk specifically about introduction and conclusion in an essay. Okay. So what we should talk about only about introduction and conclusion is why don't we talk also about the body of the essay? Okay, this is the importance of talking these two things. Okay. It is because without an introduction and a conclusion, an essay is just a group of paragraphs. Okay. The introduction and conclusion work together to make the topic and the main idea of an essay clear to the reader. Because this is the main, because these two paragraphs explain about the main idea of an essay. So that's why introduction and conclusion is really important in an essay. Okay. So we need to talk about this specifically. So what is an introduction? An introduction is usually 5 to 10 sentences. Okay, a paragraph that is consists of 5 to 10 sentences. Okay, an introduction catches the reader interest. Okay, so make sure that your introduction is interesting. Okay, and then introduction gives the general topic of the essay. So don't forget to put your thesis statement in your introduction paragraph, because an introduction gives the general topic of the essay. And then an introduction also gives background information about the topic, not only the thesis statement, but also the background information related to the topic of the thesis statement. An introduction also states the main point, thesis statement of the essay. It's clear, yeah, already. And the last, an introduction is often organized by giving the most general idea first to the specific one. So you go from the general to specific in introduction. And then, oh, sorry, it's too fast. Next. Here we have how to write a strong introduction. Okay, we have two sides here. The first one, a strong introduction and a weak introduction. Here, when you want to have a strong introduction, introduce the topic clearly. Okay, a strong introduction introduces the topic clearly. But yeah, when you doesn't give enough information about the topic or give too much information about it, your introduction will become a weak introduction. When you want to have a strong introduction, you need to give several sentences of information about the topic. Give several sentences of information about the topic. Okay. But when you give several information about the topic, or several sentences of information about your topic, don't talk too much, or don't talk about different thing or topic. Okay, because these sentences should support your thesis statement, not talking about another thing. Okay, and then when you want to have a strong introduction, state the thesis, the main idea of the essay. Don't forget it, okay, because that's the most important thing of your introduction, thesis statement. Okay. When we compare to a weak introduction, okay, you can see it. I've also mentioned it before, but maybe we need to underline the last. A weak introduction doesn't state a clear topic. Okay, introduction, you talk a lot about you talk around the bus, but not focus on supporting your thesis statement or giving several information about your thesis statement. You just make it a long paragraph without focus on your thesis statement. That's a weak introduction, by the way. And then how to make an introduction interesting. Here, to make an introductory paragraph interesting for the reader, you can include, first, interesting facts or statistics. Okay, you share the data about something maybe, and then you can include a personal story or example, maybe based on observation or interview about something. And then the last, maybe you can have an interesting quotation from experts about things that you want to talk, or your topic or thesis statement that you want to support in that introduction. Okay, it will make your introductions stronger. And then after we talk about introduction, we should talk also about conclusion. Okay, what is the importance of a conclusion? Yeah, a good concluding paragraph summarizes the main points of the essay. Okay, and then also restates the thesis using different words, of course. It also makes a final comment about essay's main idea. Okay, you can put comment on your conclusion, not only summarize, restate. Maybe you put your comment. What do you think? Maybe you agree or not, or you suggest something, you ask the reader to do something, maybe you want to persuade them to do something, or that's based on your opinion. And then in a conclusion, you may emphasize an action that you would like the reader to take. Okay, if you want the reader to take action after they after they have read your research, your essay, you can emphasize it in the conclusion. And a good concluding paragraph also doesn't introduce new ideas. Okay, please just focus on the previous idea and conclude it. And the last, a good concluding paragraph restates or gives further commentary on ideas discussed in the essay. Okay, that's the importance of writing a conclusion. After we talk a lot about introduction and concluding paragraph on the essay, the importance, how to make it interesting. Okay, now you know how to build an essay. In an interesting essay, a powerful essay that can express your idea, like a crystal clear idea of your essay. So enjoy writing, keep on writing your essay. If you want to ask something, just put it on the comment below. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you very much.